Want to create a complete, SEO-optimized job description? Consider it done in seconds with BizHire. Let's see how. First, you start by tapping Job Openings. Then hit the green button on the top right corner to add a new job opening. Now enter all the key details for the role. Seeing those red asterisks? Those indicate the compulsory info you need to fill for receiving an accurate JD. Now tap this Generate with A. And in just a few seconds, here it is. Your complete, polished, SEO-optimized job description ready to roll. In the next steps of application requirements, you choose what information you want from candidates like name, email, custom questions, documents, or whatever your hiring flow needs. You set that up. Now on to the next step. You set the job pipeline, or in simple sense, you select which company you're posting this job ad for, and congrats, you are all done. To share it, just open the JD you created, tap Preview Job Listing, and grab the link. You can post it directly on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or paste the link for any other job hosting portal according to your liking. Visit www.bizwork.hq.com for further details.